Hello everyone, so today we are going to start our first lecture on number system. Lecture 1 of 3. So the first part of this lecture will talk about the first subtopic, which is the real numbers. So every lecture we have their learning outcome. So for today, the learning outcome is to define the natural number, whole number, integers, prime number, rational number, and irrational number. And the second one is to represent rational and irrational number in decimal form. For the third one is to represent the relationship of number sets in real number system diagrammatically showing the natural number subset of whole number, which is subset of integers and subset of rational number, and we are going to show that the rational union with the irrational will give you the real number. Okay, for D, we are trying to find representation of open, closed, and half open interval and their representation on the line, number line. And then the fifth one is to find the union and the intersection of two or more intervals with the aid of number line. Okay, so real number. So we have natural, whole, integers, prime, rational, and irrational. So what is natural number? So natural number is the set of counting numbers. So remember, during our school, we count numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then whole number is the counting numbers including 0. So we add up 0 in the set. And prime number. So anyone remember what is prime number? Yes. Prime number is the natural number that are more than 1 and only can be divided by itself and 1. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. Is 9 a prime number? No. Okay, how about integers? So integers is actually the whole numbers, means that we have 0, 1, 2, 3 plus the negative of counting numbers. So negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So all of these are integers. So we have negative, we have the whole number. Okay, what is rational number? So rational is actually come from the word ratio. So it means quotient or fraction of two integers. So it can be recognized by the representation of terminating or repeating decimal. So what it means by terminating or repeating decimals? For example, if the number can represent by the fraction, so for example 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 is actually equal to what? 0.3333333 and so on. So these 3 keep repeating. So this is what we call as repeating decimal. So we can write down as 0.3 bar. For example, another example is 5 over 4. What is 5 over 4? Yes, we have 1.25. It stopped there, so we don't have any decimal. Okay, how about irrational number? So irrational will be the opposite of the rational number, which is cannot be expressed as a quotient or ratio. So non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, that is the characteristics. So for example, we have cert3, cert5, exponent, pi. So anyone know what is pi? Pi is 3.1415925. Okay, so these are the irrational. Okay, let's do the example 1. So we have this set of number. Now we want to find what is the natural number. So natural number So the set natural number included here is only 4. How about B, whole number? We must include the 0. So 0 and 4. How about integers? So integers, we have to include the negative natural number. So what we have here is negative 9, 0, 4. And question D, rational number. So anything that can represent as fraction. So is negative 9 a fraction? Yes, it can be represented as negative 9 over 1, negative 18 over 2, and so on. Set 7, no. 1 over 3, obviously. Pi squared by itself is an irrational number. So 0 and then 0.13 bar. So it means that we keep repeating 13 on the decimal. So 0.13 bar is the rational number. 4 also is rational number. 5.1212, yes, we keep repeating the decimal 1212 dot dot dot. So all of these are rational number. How about E? Irrational number. So other than this number, everything will be the rational number. Oh, I had the incorrect notation. So irrational number is equal to what we have here, set 7. What's left? Pi squared, and then that's all. So how about the real number? So everything on the slide, on the question, is actually real number. So the set S is the real number.